good morning guys. Ligo na tayo guys. Ay, grabing init. Sawan kami naliligo guys. Sa 8th floor. Ang kasama ko guys. Hanggang lari ang tubig. Ano kami dito guys? Yung palit-palitan lang. Ayan, 7th floor na to guys. Akyat tayo sa rampa guys. Kata ng 8th floor. Ayun na guys. 8th floor na tayo guys. Ito na guys. Ligo na guys. Good morning guys. Thank you for watching guys.